what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe.
Hey you guys, and thank you so much for coming back to Dat Feeling 5. Today we will be tackling our dining room table. This is the table that catches all of our stuff. And so today me and Douglas will be tackling the table. And so I really hope y'all enjoy this video. If you have yet, go ahead and click that subscription down below. Make sure that you put that thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell, a ding, to get all notifications of future uploads. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to y'all later. Stay tuned.
Where you wanna go? The things that we can do don't need to prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies. I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? One thing on my mind, baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine, turn my life around. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this misty cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine, the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that, broke mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with it. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
As y'all can see, my husband is into wrestling and I'm morally into wrestling. I like RVD. And so this is the end of the video. I want you to go ahead and don't forget to click the subscription box below. We want to thank y'all so much for clicking on this video and spending time with us, because time is very precious in this life. And so we want to thank y'all so much for doing that with us today. So as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. And we will always see you on the tube the next time. Peace out, y'all. Love you guys. Be blessed.
Got time.